Have you ever wondered how penguins survive in such freezing places, walking around like tiny gentlemen in tuxedos? Let's dive into the fascinating world of penguins. Welcome back, everyone. Penguins are flightless birds. Yes, birds that can't fly, but they are expert swimmers. Their wings have evolved into flippers, helping them fly through water instead of the sky. There are about 18 different species of penguins in the world. Most people think all penguins live in Antarctica, but that's not true. While many species like the emperor penguin live in the icy Antarctic, others live in warmer places too, such as South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, Chile, Argentina, and even on the Galapagos Islands. Penguins live in the southern hemisphere, never in the North Pole. Penguins have some of nature's best survival gear. They have a thick layer of blubber under their skin that helps them keep warm, and dense waterproof feathers that trap air to insulate their bodies. They huddle together in large groups, thousands of them, to share body warmth during icy storms. It's like a giant penguin blanket. Their diet mostly includes fish, krill, squid, and small crustaceans. They catch food underwater using their sharp beaks and excellent swimming skills. Some penguins can dive more than 500 meters deep and stay underwater for up to 20 minutes. Since they live surrounded by salt water, penguins have a special gland above their eyes that removes salt from seawater, allowing them to drink it safely. Penguins are devoted parents. Most species lay 1 or 2 eggs, and both parents take turns keeping the eggs warm. For example, the emperor penguin male balances the egg on his feet, covering it with a flap of skin while the female goes to sea to hunt. After hatching, both parents feed the chick by regurgitating food into its mouth. Penguins are quite noisy. They use vocal calls, body movements, and flipper waving to communicate. Each penguin's voice is unique, so parents and chicks can find each other even in a crowd of thousands. On ice, penguins waddle upright, which looks funny but is energy efficient. Sometimes they slide on their bellies, pushing forward with their feet and flippers. This move is called as tobogganing, and it helps them travel faster on ice. Size varies a lot. The emperor penguin, the largest, grows up to 1.2 meters tall and weighs around 40 kilograms. The smallest, the little blue penguin, is just 30 centimeters tall and weighs about 1 kilogram, as small as a chicken. Depending on the species, penguins can live from 10 to 20 years, and some even longer in protected environments. Sadly, climate change, melting ice, oil spills, and overfishing affect their food sources and habitats. Scientists and wildlife organizations are working hard to protect them through conservation programs. Penguins symbolize teamwork, loyalty, and endurance. They survive in some of the harshest places on Earth and still manage to thrive together as one big united family. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and share for more amazing animal facts.